as in lapha ngithe ngilizama ngegroom yini le get ready with me yona leyana ngapho nginjani nginishaya ngestory time guys dlala kuphi intsholo sendelezo dlala kuphi intsholo sendelezo okay sharp ke as in so yabona ukuthi kahle guys nizalilaya lapha before nixoxe le story sami ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyatsho ukuthi an idle mind is the devil's workshop because the day I met Sendelezo I had an idle mind udevil wavela wathini ngena ngaleyo idle mind guys ngihlala endlini nje ngibhodi nje endlini as usual nje ngireceive i-DM right and these days shela ku social media ngireceive i-DM right DM akhona ivela ithi nkosazana unjani mina vele ngiphonti it's one of those right but because now I see it was the devil working overtime why did I reply to that one guys I get ecabanga ama DM esiwatholayo but ngakhetha ukuphendula kaSendelezo showcase ke Tempendeka Sendelezo hi how you doing and ngibhodi phela nhleni athi hey umuhle ntokazi mina ngithi awu ngiyabonga kakhulu bhuti wami athi awu masibindi mina ngizozibika vele same time yabona ukuthi yini wena ngikuthandile mina ngithandile mina uthanda khona ukuthi izitori zami social media ini phela wona ungazi kahle wathi ngikuthandile masibindi ngikuthanda njalo futhi mina okay ngiya checka i-profile right profile yakhe like it didn't have a lot of pictures or videos yabo mina ngithi manje wena nje ungazi kangaka mina wena ngizokwazelaphi yabo athi no mina igama lami ngoba no athi give me wait athi yabona masibindi mina ngizithandile la kuwe mina bese ngithi kodwa wena uyakwazi ukuthi mina ngumasibindi wena ngazi ukuthi ngibani ngoba le profile yakhe ibhale SK so manje ngithini athi no igama lami ngingusendelezo Nxumalo mina okay Sendelezo right athi okay so njani njengoba sisazana ngicela i-numbers because I'm bored lami ngithini thatha i-number baba ngimnike i-number khona phana guys ngiyaphinda the devil works overtime yazi ukuthi ngimnike i-number vela hlathi WhatsApp quick in a hurry yabo lami ngivele ngireply yabo ngihlalele guys I've got I'm doing nothing ne what do I have to lose right uyabona uSendelezo guys he's not like uyabona kulaba bafana bahle ne okunxa umbheka uthi oh my god then kulaba bafana babi okunxa umbheka uvela uthi kumele asebenze kanzima yena nje akakho muhle akakho mubi akusindoda lena ukuthi maybe usungayibheka first time uthi you know but unali charisma unali that thing yabo that is why nguSendelezo that thing showcase ke ayisiqala ukuxoxa lwani lo Sendelezo babe hey kumnandi guys kumnandi next thing guys the conversation is fire yabo yazi ukuthi kahle yazi mina futhi enye into engathi lokunyanyisa phakathi ukuthi uNkulunkulu wanginikelani imizwa eyomfazi ngingelandoda wanginikelani imizwa epheleleyo eyomfazi ngingelandoda so manje mina ngize ngihambe nje nabo Sendelezo no man it's not my fault I didn't do anything wrong lapha in this scenario anyway asikho lapha hayi ke sixoxe ngimuze manje ukuthi yazi ngathi uyangithinta ama sports masikhuluma guys sikhulume for a couple of days lo Sendelezo sixoxe mthe no anyway hathi what are you doing this weekend ngithi lutho ngihlala endlini uSendelezo athi can I come see you mina hayibo endlini yami never I would rather come see you uSendelezo vela because ngiyazitshela ukuzothi uzoyala phela uSendelezo vela athi you're welcome my love mina guys uyazi ukuthi into engicasulayo futhi mangikhuluma isitori lesikuthini mina ngathi uSendelezo khona phana sethekima should come to his house ne ngavela ngacabanga lapha ngathi lo mfana ulahlile ende ngizomunyoba kanti la ucabanga same thing uthi ukhaya ulahlile ende ngizomnyoba guys kongibe unguguluva versus guluvakazi may the best guluva win all right mina ngithi ke okay fine sure I'll think about it sizobona ukuthi ngizenzana I'll see my schedule angithi mbange imali ayithumela imali fast ngeyini e-wallet avela ithi fake e-wallet fast mina ngivele ngiyibona ngihlenti ayathini sehlwa faka yani ekuza mina showcase ngivele ngihambe ngiyo clean up imoto yami nami ngidinga ukuyi sexy lingerie yana ngivele ngithi nizofika ke kusasa athi kimi showcase guys ngithi ngihambe ngigqoka ikit yakhona guys ngahamba ngigqoke ikit yakhona guys eyomdavazo ngahamba ngishaya ithara yazi ithara ngangivele ngafaka nje yonke into nje yabasegcekeni because angithi ngumuntu omntaphela ngimdala mina sitongiqambulana manje bengiyazi into ebengihambela khona phana kubani kuSendelezo ngoba ngifuna ukuyibona lento mana la lento yakhe engathi yankitaze efonini all the way Sendelezo phone athi ke muphuza no before ngisuka athi ke muphuzana just namphuzana asithi what while you're driving down mina I'll go buy in my drinks mina sharp sendo drive ke phone khona phana ethi noma sizofika ufika upake eceleni kwe Mbusa aqamba igama lemoto. Ufika upake next to this blah 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 blue car. Mina showcase ngifike vele ipake lemoto yakho nami ngifike nje ngipake eceleni ngibe sengitexta ngithi I'm outside. Mangiqeda ukuthi I'm outside nangu usendeleza guys ovula umnyango mina kade ipakithi yo top dark and handsome. Yabona lento lebengisho ukuthi akakho muhle kanjani bese ngimbona ubuhle bakhe khona phana at that point. I think ukuthi it's because being ovule enkosi yami. Yo Thixo ngiyakubhora vele asikho lapho. Ngiyemphumeke khona phana. Ngapho vele ngiqoka ikit yakhona guys ngithi mangiphuma so ngambone ngithi from up to down from down to up from Daza to Dokola. Lami ngahlanga vela ngafeel ukuthi yazini akangazi mina. Kanti la mfana khona phana mayibona mina uthi akangazi lo bitch. Khuluva besazikhuluva kazi. Showcase ke hayi lesifike khona phana fice no vele khona phana ngaphi ku dining lezi ama glasses ahleli ule bar like at his house. My glasses ahlele khona phana kukuhle nje kumkahle. Ngene ke lami ngifike ngihlale vele khona apha guys senokho ngikhuluma ngifuna ukubona kanti ngithi oh yeah ngishaba guys sekeze lana ivoice lana yomuntu Thixonya kubhora usho ka1 anyway nanko ke mina avela athi nxa ngibamba la ichisa ngifaka lapha nje isandla sakhe uhluve bonke uSatan uthi vele nxa ngibamba icheek yami guys ngahle ngezwe ngathi imovement yakhe ivele yehle yazi yafika ayo uNkulunkulu bakithi ngithathe somandla sokurayithe emphilile azi ngizwe azimayembamba usendele ngizwe ukuthi no man uNkulunkulu ngiyavuma mphinde ngithini lo ngizam hit and run kade sendelezo neplan guys mina nami ngizitshela ukuthi yazi kakhuluva besazi kunyaphinda ay guys asambamba so ngizokuyavuma guys ethi mayengikhisa ngizokuyavuma ma ethu yasondela umzimba omuhle uvela ukuthi ithathi ke it's fine ngeyakho vele uyithini guys mangiqeda khona apho the mdavazo was amazing. Yabona usually when you lala lo muntu for the first time it never goes really great but yena guys yo Sendelezo, where are you? No, I repeat that. I'm full Sendelezo. Ngizokuyavuma guys. Ngachona khona and ngangise ukuthi I'm going to go in the morning and come back to my house in the evening. Bekusasuke gogo Sendelezo guys. Bekungasasukeki. Ngavela ngakempa khona ko Sendelezo. Ngavuka ngahamba the next day. Yazi ngathi sengihlele endlini lapha. After some days and siyaqoka we keep on talking, yabo. Athi give me a message yakhe and I will never forget that message. Athi give phela wena uzofona in love. Ngathi mina uyangazi mina. Wathanda indlela ngiyibona indaba zakho wena uzofuna in love ngathi ngiyekwathi imbatho ngazofuna in love akuna inkinga sothandana. That is why ngisendelezo. Yazi ukuthi ngavela ngam WhatsApp so ngathi uyathini can you come to my house because ngabona ukuthi no guys laphana ngihambe ngadlala kuthiwa away ithi sizodlala home mhlambe home ngisazowina uyabo ngisazomshowcase laphana nje ungithethe ngewitness because angithi bendlala away match ngathi can you come to my house Sendelezo vele wathi nini ngathi kusasa wathi thumela iaddress mntakama lami ngavela ngayifaka bese lindile ekseni ngo6 mangithi ngiyathi qaqa abamehlo wavela wathi ngiphandle lami ngavela ngamvulela same time vele savula guys ngakathi hello Qoki how are you savela savulana ngomdava so same time hayi bose siyaqeda inkosi siqala ukubingelela how zinjani inkukhu zakini banjani omdlwane bayaphila hayi bonkosi ngavela ngahle ngaba defeated ke khona ngavela ngabona ukuthi no home and away kudliwe mina manje mina sengithini ngithi kuye but usingile wrong question futhi yokubuza anyway we listen we don't judge usingile athi vele mina ngisingile like 100% singile mina serious ethi ubuthini sithandwa sami ngathi lutho mina baba lutho athi yini ngathi lutho athi kimi lami nguthandile ngathi othenya kuthana bani wathi ngiyabona amehlo akho guys usendelezo yinja hayi mina lami vele ngithi yazini manje ngikade ufake makeup manje ngiyabuya lo part 2 ukuthi sensizwe imizwa sivukile Nkosi yazi Thixo 2026 ngicane ngahlanza boSendelezo angisafuni no angithi ke lapho uSendelezo ne useqedile ukungipipa kamnandi useqedile futhi ukungikhulumela ngomlomo omnandi wakhe ukhaya usephozisiwe ke manje ngamadimoni akonxumalo asevela angena ahlala la ngavela ngathi nomfana ngiyamthanda ngowami futhi guys yabona ukuthi mina ngathi ngiyena semboni Sendelezo ngathi lo yi hit and run lo ngizombonisa but jiki sentshintshile ke mina ingqondo Sefuna uba ngubani uMrs Sendelezo. Mina sengifuna ukuthi ngithi I can change him. Hey, you can change who? I can change uSendelezo ebe nguSendelami. You understand that? I can change uBhebhizo eba nguBhebhukhaya. Hayi Nkosi. I believed it could happen, guys. Yazi ngithi ukuthi I could not live without Sendelezo for those couple of how long ever we were together. Yazi bengithi anytime ebe ngithola ukuthi ngi-off ngi-free buzo ngibona ngiyabuya ngihamba ngiyabona yena bekuhlela kuyi-up kuyi-down kuyi-up kuyi-down angaze ngafaka ifuel engaka emotweni yami bese ngifaka ifuel angathi mina kahle kahle umsebenzi wami ngudrive wamagonyethi mina lo yazi bengahlali phansi. I wanted to be with my person, guys, and ethi khonapho guys angenze ngifeel special. He made me feel ukuthi no man, I'm the woman for him. Yazi ethi masekaqeda ungibhebha so esengibambile senginike ikiss la esiphongweni sami lesi singelakhanda aqeda athi Masibindi ngiyakuthanda. Yo! Futhi yena ubengathi Masibindi because yena ubethi kimi because wonke umuntu kubiza Mamsibindi ubembiza uMamntungu. Ole okhaphi makanginike. Ole okhaphi makamnike ngiyomgwaza manje. Ngiyeke phela. Ngiyeke. Hayi wena esekathi kimi Mamntungu. Mayi akulamuntu okwangithi Mamntungu elifini yami. Sendelami. Ngusendelami yedwa okwangibiza Mamntungu. Hayi bo guys, irelationship yethu iphushe lo baby. Ngizwe ukuthi man angaze ngathanda umuntu engimthanda ngakhona man. Ngizwe man ukuthi ngibone ukuthi man yazi ukuthi I can give this man my life. And like mina ngizomfela. Yabona nje Jehova ofela njani izono zethu. Bekithi ngizomfela. Tell me why. USendelezo ngithi kuye njani it was a weekend of my birthday, right? Ngithi kuye Sendo mina baby so weekend birthday senze so ngimtshele phela ukuthi mina what I'm planning on doing and in I said no problem babe uzoba le nice time ngathi what do you mean ngizoba le nice time I'm telling you these plans because we are doing them together you know it's like no I mina I have to go somewhere I'm like yiphi leyo somewhere ebaluleke kodlula ibirthday yentombi yakho uMamntungu wakho intombi yakhe emhlophe yinto ebaluleke edlula ibirthday yami no ukuthi lapha sokusha amacica ngu4 umntwana uginye microwave ngathi ima ngumntwana uginye microwave ima baba what's happening in weekend la guys ngayixoxa indaba yazi yavela kanje athi kibi yabona Masibindi angizange ngakutshela ngithi yini ethi it's not like ngilenye intombi as such but I just happen to be in a complicated situationship with someone else. What is a complicated situationship with someone else? I give me no. It's just that ugelone she fell pregnant for me, and then nkaya bafuna ngimthathe. But mina angimfuni babe. Yabo. Mina angimfuni. I'm just doing it because njani ekhaya you know they're expecting. And besides yabona kulo mntwana involved. Yabona into zakhona ngathi Sendo mana kancane. Wena uthe unengane awula mama wengane you understand uthe ulengane awula mama wengane eli together maye lento sunjela ukuthi is she pregnant is uhamba njani athi no ubelethe recently what is recently umntwana una 2 months mina lo Sendelezo sila how many months ke lapho sit together guys kusho mina lo Bhebhizo guys basivele sithandana ugelo wakhe elabo ma 9 months pregnant as ngiyezwa ngathi uqubuka inyongo esiswini ngiyezwa ngathi uqubuka inyongo esiswini athi kimi so i-weekend le I can't because sengihlala isikhathi eside engazange ngiyobona umntwana ngathi but fine I hear you but come spend the weekend with me uzohamba uyobona umntwana the other weekend I mean it's not like ukuthi umntwana lo kahle kahle it's not ukuthi birthday yomntwana it's not the birthday yomntwana like it's not like ukuthi uzelwe nge-weekend you understand it's not that deep you know it's just it's my birthday yabo athi kimi mama ngiyakuza ngathi no awungizwa ngithi umntanakho faka umntanakho asambe thina ku birthday yami guys uSendelezo wangintshintshela wangivukela into kade ngaze ngayibona life nyami wathi kimi so manje lapho sithi kimi faka umntanakho uthi ngithi no I don't mean like fuck your child like in that way I just mean ukuthi fuck the idea of going to spend weekend with your kid because mina I didn't know you had a kid this whole entire relationship so mina yami indawo yami is much more important uSendelezo athi kimi ngeke ngizwe ngawe ekhaya angeke uthi because nasofika life nyami sofuna ndahle umntanami ngathi ngeke phela ungijikele kangaka whoa calm down bring it back here who are you talking to like that guys uSendelezo wangivukela like he had always been nice he had always been kind wangivukela isilwana kade ngasazi ukuthi siba khona mina ngase sisakwe no showcase hamba ngingayi-enjoy ibirthday guys. Nganatha i-weekend yonke ngilo cousin wami, so ngisithi ngahlala ngifole uSendelezo ngimthuke. Afona athi hayi khona mase ngikhuluma la efonini ethi hayi mamntungu ngenze njalo. Oh ngithi ngeke ngizwe ngawe ngiyabuya mina. Wathi kimi manje mina anjena he said ukuthi he's going to go and see his child. Angithi manje sengim video caller, right, and he made the mistake of ukuthi ngabona i-background yala khona ngafika out ukuthi usendlini yakhe. Ngase ngithi so usendlini lo bitch wakho lo mntana wakhe. Wathi no, ngathi ngiyabuya manje. Ngathi ngiyeza manje. Wathi kimi ungazuze manje ngeke nguvulela umnyango. Ngathi uyangazi mina ngiyawukhaba umnyango wakho wele phansi. Umzala wami wathi kibasabuya lo. Ngathi ngiyeza manje. Yemlo ngithatha amakey emoto. Anti lapha bekube sekuyi-weekend bese ngihamba lo bantu umzala at this point. Ngithatha amakey emoto ngithi umzala sambe. Umzala athi masambe, but siphinde sihlale phansi sicapha ngithi umzala soboshwa. Ngoba phela mos lapha kumele sidrive isikhathi eside soboshwa ngamaphoyisa. Ithi singahamba asambe kuseni fruit kusasa. Mina showcase mzala isikhathi phone usendeza sala phone ubusuku bonke. Anti ucabanga ukuthi ngiyabuya am on my way, angihambanga ke mina ngaphasa out ke ngalala. Ekusedi fruit ngivusa umzala ngo5 sivuka siyageza ngihle ngigqoka ikit yakho nokuyakhaba umnyango guys, ngithi short ngithi gumboots ngibe ngiserious namhlanje ngifuna ukuyenza idrama. Uyabona ukuthi mina vele isidimo sami savele salahleka kudala namhlanje bese ngiprepared ukuyasiluza futhi second half. Ngenile sihleze emoteni umzala ubhizi uphuza ama-ice yena uthi yena ule hangover. Ngithi ngeke ngizwa ngathi okusalayo sisiyafika lapha ku location esifuna ukuyafika ku ube ready ukufaka ijombo eminyango. Wathi mzala mina I got you. Yazi ngithi ngiyayistart imoto ifone yabe ringa ngabona nguSendelezi ngabe ngiye-answer phone ngambona so uhlele emotweni. He's like I'm on my way to you. Mina to me way because anti yakwazi umnabe ngihambe for the weekend thing. Wathi angifuna ukuhlala ndawo endlini yakho ngiyabuya manje I'm on my way. Mina what? No vele ngifuna ngeke ngize ngawe ngiqamela manje wathi I'm on my way now. Kuthi uSendelezi guys galalanga la ebusuku la icala sisilozo yenza idrama. Hayi uSendelezi abuye endlini yami guys ngihle ngilahla umzala vele. USendelezi abuye endlini yami guys mayifika khona phana before I explain akhuluma ini guys yo guys wangikloflofa kamnandi ngaze ngakhohle kube mbambeni izolo. As ngathola so ngarelaxa ngathi as ngathamba ngaba soft so ngathi kuye but why would you do this to me ungizisa ubuhlungu. Wathi ungakhali mamntunga ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngizisa ubuhlungu niyaxolisa sithandwa sami but I couldn't tell you because ngabona ukuthi ngakuthanda. Yazi ukuthi bafana man. Okay sharp ne, we've moved on from indaba yokuthi le baby mama. We've moved on from indaba le baby mama. La mse ngi-acceptile ukuthi kulo baby mama ongathandwayo, which is a fucking lie, but anyway mina bengibelieve at the moment. Yabo ongathandwayo baby mama yena uthanda mina so mina la siyaphusha lo baby. That is life. Yo showcase ayike ubaby mama sebiyele lapha asuka khona lo mntana wakhe sesibiyele back sokumnandi ke lo baby. Yabo ibizo lika baby mama futhi besengilazi. You understand? I showcase ngiyakwazi le number kaBaby mama save bani efonini. I've gotten to that point ukuthi acceptile bullshit. Angithi yabona ukuthi sometimes as you grow you accept nonsense. Sure. Silele ebusuku right. Ifoni vele ka Sendo beyihlala ku silent. Vele. Angazi ngayize le ringtone ke mina. But ngalelo langa that fateful day yayile ringtone angazi kanjani silele ngo3 ifoni yangena i-video call and uSento wayelele dakiwe nathi khona phana mina ngabe ngiphunga uyiswipe so ukuthi ngiyi-answer because it was a name ekade ngayazi ngaphunga uyi-answer so ukuthi ngiyiswipe ngithi yay tell me why it was a beautiful yellow-boned bitch who was drunk crashing out like me. Asifuna uthi kimi so vele you don't want to talk to me. You tell I'm gonna come to your house and you're telling me what on a walk. That's a lie. You're lying to me. She was crashing out the way Lambing crash out on a corner, guys. What I thought it was a recording of me. It was another yellow bone bitch. I can't listen to this. Guys, here's how inhliziyo yami isha head on collision lembambo. Yazi ukuthi guys, Malin, I'm getting stressed talking about it. Happy New Year guys, manini guys, bengisaenjoy umnyaka omutsha bese ngijaha ngestories kaSendelezo. Anywho, angithi guys sengivuke ebusuku ngabona ugeli busy guys uyacrash out just like ukuthi it's me. Yazi ngayithatha ifoni nene ngahang apha. Ugeli waqhubeka lokho efona sengiyamkhikhe sengiyamvusa uSendelezo akafuni kuyibamba ifoni yakhe. Yabo vele ulele uyafa. Angazi agcina kanjani. Ngilokha so ifoni fanele button le iPhone 9 ukuthi ifoni beku silent ngayifaka lapha na yaba njani kwahlala
yazi wavuka ekseni ne uSindelezo. And as usual guys, if we extend guys is fucking morning glory. But the whole entire morning glory ngicabanga ugeli lwana ngimbone efonini yakhe le. Yazi ngihle lapha ngiyakhumbula ngithi kodwa God untshethi lami ngi-embarrassing like this. Guys, yazi ukuthi at that moment that was an epiphanic moment for me. Yikho ngahlala khona ngabuka ngathi no man. Kusho nami ngiyayangisa. Kusho nami I'm embarrassing. Kusho nami isidima sami. Yazi ukuthi seeing that girl ne, it made me reflect on me. Yazi ngazibuka so waqeda azi ngithi lesson guys on that morning angilizwanga guys. It wasn't hitting me the way it was supposed to be hitting me because bengiyangekile. Hayi kuze kuthi sokungathi ilanga seliphumile ke sokubuma 12 lapha sengigezi sengimuhle. I'm getting ready ukuthi njani ngiyahamba. Ngithi kuye njani ifona ke leli ringa la ebusuku ufona umuntu othiwa uSamantha la efonini. Anti hayi lo Samantha ufonile and ubeka khala ethi who's this person? Athi no, ex yami nje she's so obsessed with me. Ngathi ngicela ungaqamba amanga. Ngicela nje liqiniso. Yazi ukuthi uSendeza guys he looked me dead in the eye wathi kimi okay uthenga qambanga zokutshela iqiniso. That's one of my other girlfriends. What do you mean that's one of your other girlfriends? Wathi yabona khaya ane angifuna ukutshela ke manje mina thinking nama girlfriend about 4. Ngathi wait more my girlfriend now 4 uchon. Athi I've got 4 girlfriends. Ngithi ulala lathi sonke wathi ngathi ulala lathi skoon wathi Okay, fine. I will pick up uSindelezo because guys, that level of honesty I've never experienced in my entire life. I didn't know how to feel. I felt betrayed. I felt broken. Manje uyangibona ukuthi sengifila some type of way. I figured to give me njani but okusala ngilithanda lonke. Athi ngilithanda lonke and ngilifuna lonke. Mina ngathi no Sendo you can't do that to me. Wathi ngilithanda lonke and ngilifuna lonke. Wathi kimi wena do you feel like ukhona ngushotisa khona? Ngathi cha wathi labo bonke ba feel like ukuthi akukho lapha engibashotisa khona inkinga iba khona because lonke lifuna ngibe lana 24/7. I was impressed, I was disgusted, yes guys bengibela mixed emotions because what do you mean phela lapha suyazitshela ke wena mawuthi now we want to spend all our time with you like what do you mean but imphinde ngithi at the same time ngithi shit anomfana shemu yakwazi ukupipa abafazi azabahlala batheme so mina ngendlela embheda ngayo guys ngathula ngahlala phansi ngalalela izinto ezentshela nosensena le ngathi kuye no I need to go home auntie wathi kimi okay no are you sure you want to go home ukuthi uhambe process everything ngapho guys ngiyacabanga ukuthi mangihamba mina endlini uSamantha uyasale buya la ekhaya ayi mina ngathi kuya hayi mina mana let me first sit down ngizobona ukuthi ngizenza njani guys you guys ngicela ngijudge the part I'm about to get to now ngicela ngijudge ngiyacela guys ngiyacela hayi ngithi sengihleli ke khona phana athi kimi uyafuna ngi-introduce ukuthi bani kulo gelo befone mina ngathi what do you mean ungi-introducelana ngisomamkhulu I'm not anything like that athi no because like I feel like you want to look at lingazwana mina ngathi no I'm not doing that what do you mean wavela wafona Samantha phambi kwami video call guys video call ngihle as fuck man ngiyazijudge ngiyazijudge man I'm too grown for yo I'm video call again guys ngihleli ngithule ngithezwi ngihlula khona la ekumvu guys mina ngiyahlanya guys mina ngiphambene guys but sengirealize ukuthi mina no guys ukuthi mina ngihlanyela abafana ba weak indoda engathi no man yazi what's wrong with me hayi boqeda wabe video call ngezugele answer phone wathi baby Ngizwa kulento etshonayo phakathi kwami ngomzwe emtshela sithi endeka asona njani izolo angi-answer ngafone yakho bengilela ugele wathi okay it's okay but manje sibonana nini ethi no kulento ofuna ukutshela yona ugele athi yini ofuna ukutshela yona ethi I've got another girlfriend as ugele ngamuze thula same way ngithule ngakhona I think fuck man yazi mfana nona manini guys mina ngicela ozongikhapha ngiyombulala lo mfana because what the fuck is that amtshela ukuthi he's got another girlfriend ugele didn't say anything mina ngicela maybe uzo react maybe ukuhlanya mina khathi no guys otshola ulo muthi lwana baba ayikho into yakhe athi ugele athula athi okay so what does that mean for us so ukuthi awusangifuni wathi no angisho ukuthi angisakufuni bengifuna ukuintroduce nangu la ebe switch video call efaka mina ebusweni bese kuyimi ke lo girl guys bese ngathi singama twins yellow bone ngapho yellow popo ngapho yazi guys sabhekana nje la ngusrimrim usidudla lami ngavela ngathi hi, wathi hi. Then lo bese sithi ask, okay, so njani lilonke khona apha endlini? Uguy wathi yes, sonke she was there last night ubona ifone ring. And mina I don't want to lie to you guys anymore because njani ngilithanda lonke. Yazi ukuthi guys, he has a way of with these. No. Nkulunkulu, thank God wangisiza ngaphuma kulo mfana. Hayi. Yazi okay la bese sithi oh no okay kusharp ke so manje like why ungitshela asinobe ngiplan ukuthi ngutshela ukuthi ubuye lapha khathesi mawufuna ukubuya. Okay wathi as in you want me to come kula lo cherry la endlini. Uguy ubebheka mina bese sithi do you mind ukuthi yabuye then libonani. As guys because okunye fine apart from ukuthi angayizi guys apart from ukuthi ngislima ne but okunye was now for vibes. La ngase sithi yeah akabuye it's okay. It's fine makabuye again. Ugirl wabesithi she's gonna come. Sahlala ke salinda ugirl. I think ugirl ulabangani bakhe abahlakaniphile bamtshela bathi not ngekaka le. She didn't show up. Uguy siyafonele ugirl akasayibamba ifone. Uguy sekaphanika ke manje. Yazi ngamangala ngathi hawu kathi usendeleza uyaphanika kanje ungugabhadiye kade uyaphanikela intombazana. Ugirl akasayibamba ifone, ugirl akasazwakala, ugirl story akasasizwa. Lami at that point guys ngathi kuye njani mina ithi ngihambe nxa izobuza usale buye mina I'm going home akasafuni ke manje mina ukuthi ngihambe alamava nasa shop samangena emoto nami ngasuka ngahamba ngafika endlini guys ngafokofa so ngiyakhumula ngathi ngizogula ngathi ngizafa ngathi ngizothi ku10 yazi ngangazi ukuthi ngizwane emoyeni wami so ngapha uyafona ngabe ngibamba ifone bese sithi ngiyakukhumbula sina sami can I please come over ngathi angikho right ngathi no ngisayenza something like I'm busy with something and lami I think I need to be alone at that point yikho ngarealize khona ukuthi how there is power kade over usendelezwe. Ngahlala so guys ngafokofa fonda abangani bambuke ngafuna lo izihlobo zami ngabatshela ukuthi kahle kwengenzeni kuhambe njani usendelezo in hayi ngathi sengiqeda ukufokofa ke emafonini khona phana ngabe ngimblock ngamblocker guys kwaba yikho kwahle kwaba yikho he tried ukungidinga wazama ukufona wazama ukuthi ngahle ngamblocker ngaphuma kuye. I had never went back to Sendelezo ngapha khale ngeke ngezwe ukuthi le ntombi zakhe ezinye ezingu2 ezintsha brand new alazo ngeke ngezwe nje khona ukuthi emalayini nje ukuthi ubusy yazi ngaphuma kanjalo ngaphuma ngathi ngiyabuya ngaphuma kanjalo kuSendeleze guys. But what I can say to you right now is ukuthi I had never ever in my life met umfana onjalo shem. I had never met umfana onjalo Nkosi yami yazi yo I shame I wengubhebhizo for a reason but ngaphuma kanjalo ngahle ngaphuma ene ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi mina I survived uSendelezo yazini yo bengicela ukuthi le ntombi zakhe ezingathi zingangidm Nkosi yami sihambe siyenza izikhipe ezibhale survived Sendelezo Nkosi yami sezile series ku Netflix kayi1 because ngeke guys no man.